Just a quick one from me to clarify the guidance on face masks and taxis today. I had an email back from my local MP as I wanted to get absolute clarification as to what's going on, and also the guidance is on the government website as well. From midnight last night, now everybody that gets in a taxi has to wear a face mask. No exceptions. That's the law as written down by the government. The taxi driver that drives the taxi, they are advised to wear a face mask, but not legally obliged to do so. They have to, work out according to their situation whether they want to or not. I've put all of our policies to do with face masks and everything on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Andy's Airport Cars, and it can all be read there. If you have any questions, stick them in the comment section below, or if you have any concerns, do the same, and I'll do my best to help you out. Anyway, that's all for now. See you on the road. Bye.